So today I'll be showing you how to install apps on your MacBook Neo. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Mac App Store. Now you're going to find the icon in the dock, or you can simply go to Spotlight and find App Store. So just type App Store and double click on that to open the App Store. Now from here, you have, of course, you have suggestions of apps you could install. But if you're looking for a specific application, then just search for it. So for instance, let's say you're looking for Discord. So all you have to do is come here, type the name of the app you're looking for, and from the results, you can see if it's available. If it is, just click on it. Now, for me, Discord is not available. I have Microsoft Word here, so I'll click on that, and then I'll click on Get to start the installation process of this application. Okay, so sometimes it might be requested or required to sign in with your account. So go ahead and do that, and then click on install. You might require to put in your password. This is your Apple ID password. Once you sign in, then the installation process should begin. So you can see the progress right there. So just be patient and allow the app to get downloaded and installed. Once it's done, then just click on open, or in future, you can go to Spotlight and just look for that application and double click on it to launch it. Now, that is how to install apps from the Mac App Store. Now, I'm going to do another video on how to install apps that are not available on the Mac App Store. An example is just Discord. We've just seen it's not available. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. I'm going to link it down below, so check it out.